What's the deal, gang? What's going on? Well, apologies for the late start, but I got held up this morning. Not held up a going, but held up. But it's all right. It's all right. Had a quick dentist appointment with the kids that took longer than expected. Life's yeah. My kid got these. She's got the Invisalign retainers, and like everything was fine, but when we got down there, they had to redo one of her retainers, and then she had to run to school. There's volleyball tryouts today, so I had to make sure that we get that in. So it's been a long day, but it's already a profitable day at position way earlier. So we made about $1,000 on here. I think I'm gonna switch accounts to this one. Probably it's 230 on here, so try to raise the balance on this one too. We've been killing it. We've been absolutely killing it. So it's all good. Thank you for everything. Absolutely. Oh, 130 people in here. Figure we wouldn't even get 100 because of a late start. Thank you. So the daily's closed bullish here, all right? So we're expecting to come up. We made a bottom wick. The 4-hour closed bullish. We're looking for the bottom wick on that 4-hour. The 1-hour closed bearish. Yo, let's redo the drawings. Huh. So I was looking for limit orders, but I was looking for get some buys down here at the 4-hour support. Now this 4-hour is flipped and we're driving towards the 4-hour target. Sells are possible. Oh, it's NYSE open, right? We've come up, made a top wick, come down, made a bottom wick. Oh. Yeah, we don't want to take this against us. So what this means is there's some candles left to print. We're gonna watch this 15 through, right? It's gonna close here right now. Respecting. You're gonna watch the next one through to see the 4-hour close, and once we see the 4-hour close bullish, we're gonna look for a bottom wick on the next 4-hour. Where would that bottom wick be? Probably somewhere around 41.33 areas. Yeah, we're gonna look for bottom wick entries off the next 4-hour at 41.33. Good morning. Good morning. We have some weight involved. We're definitely gonna watch this 4-hour through. No matter how much this comes up, comes down, we're gonna see the 4-hour through, and we might have sell limits at 41.48 if we come up here and the next 4 hour opens up with a top wick, no bottom wick. Then we understand the 4 hours should make another bottom wick. We're going to look for targets. These are target areas, and for a nice resistance area, we can get in at these target areas. Why can't I see the screen? What does that mean? Something wrong with your vision? Good morning to the newest member of the mod team, of the mod squad. Debo. Still blacked out, all good? Okay. All good now, huh?
What's the deal, Yoli? Everybody good? I hope.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Order field. Yeah, that was my stop loss getting hit. I was in bias already.
Kenny, I was about to mess with you and be like, yo, where's the signal at, man?
Yeah, I was in bias already. I caught it about, I was up about 55 pips, but it must have knocked me out about, what's this, 27 pips. So
I'll take that.
Took a couple of trades already, so
That's about 26 pips more than most people's going to get today. You know what I mean?
Nothing big yet. Just trying to let it do what it do.
That's the drink of champions. We prepared for the mod induction ritual this Friday. Uh-oh. Bro. They're gonna bring wrenches. You're gonna get screwed. This is all NYC open volume. He was become a mod. Sheesh. My blue line's a 4-hour level that I would like a limit off of, but I'd like it to happen on the next candle as a top wick before creating a bottom one. But right now, NYC open volume, we could smash to this level, so I don't want to mess with it. Eating tacos? No. You're here, you're a different breed? Well, it depends how you got here. If you took a wrong turn, some people took a wrong turn. Took the wrong turn, ended up at the end of the rainbow. My baby mama probably at the end of that bitch with her gold digging ass. Oh, God, funny. He said, yeah, she here with me. Yeah, she here with me. This fucking thing is gonna just get to our level without us, huh? Not a single bearish candle that's printed. That's why I'm a bit skeptical of these limits, of these sell limits. This needs to fall in line with structure for us. We need to be a buy with this kind of move. Probably off 4-hour lows. We're already up 1,000, so there's no point to fuck around and find out. Let's just get something that's a hundo, 100%. Yeah, if we could close like this with no top wick before reaching this area, That'd be sick. Three minutes. They see me rolling. What if it closes no top wick and get to our level? And then you'll see me in a position. So we have 100 seconds here for this 4 hour to close. And once it closes, if we open up with a top wick, I'll set a sell limit at this area. I might actually set the sell limit right before it closes off the 4 hour level. And I'll keep stops above this wick here. What do you want? 56.2. But if you open up with a bottom wick, I might hold off on it. Depends how steep the bottom wick is. Because then we might have positions off the bottom wick as well. All right, let's lock in. See what happens here. Six, 5, 4, 2, 1. There's a nice 4 hour closure. We got our closure. We got a bottom wick first. Got this bottom wick first. Be lovely to get steeper bottom wick. Not much doing here. 4139.9. I don't see nothing here on the 4 hour. More sensitive CPI has just been officially removed. Nice. All my push to the moon if it breaks highs. It's gonna need a good wind up. It's gonna need to tap these highs, I think, and pull back. I think we might break them. Everything is bullish, right? Everything is bullish.
Yes, sir. Just the way I like it. Love buying gold.
I hear you.
Hey,
You might see a strong rejection here if you do see one. We're so bullish. I don't want to sell into these bullish 4 hour candles. But then again, if we come down, this 4 hour will flip bearish. I think this 4 hour right here might be an attempt. At 417 to 4161. These stops look big. They are big. 111 pips. Let's see. I think this has a chance to smash through this area, but then we'll look for these 4 hour bills over here. Give me 1 second, Chad. The remix to the remix. You guys should have seen me. I've been sneezing like crazy. Bougie, get it, daddy. Fuck. Sorry, gang. I had to blow my nose. That's it. What did you play? Oh.
Hi.
What?
What with me?
Not much in terms of positions, right? We really need some either closures above. We need to pull back down to a support, or we need a strong rejection candle. We're kind of quite a bit away from all of that.
Well, in that case, let's just let my bias keep going.
How
How about that?
about that? Cash me outside.
Weeks, I think you're muted.
Yeah, you're muted, Wicks.
How long have I been muted? All right, so let's go back. This is what we want to see now that we've broken above the most recent levels, right? We want to see a pullback, right? And a retest of the previous resistance to turn it into a support, and we can do that. We can look for some buys. You might see a first a reaction at this level, right? But you don't want to be catching a falling knife, right? You don't want to be selling into a massively bullish market, especially right now with these moves coming in with new 4-hour, with NYC open, all pushing up bullish. You really want to have a bounce off support to continue up or retest the highs. You don't want to guess where the ceiling is here, because this can just keep going. You can guess where the ceiling is here once this tops out and creates a resistance and comes back down and creates support and comes back up to retest resistance. You can say, all right, the most recent resistance in this session was here. We can probably look for a sell off that area, because we just saw a reaction fairly recently. But for now, fucker is just... Oh man, that's lovely. It's 20 pips. Little shit. Yeah, you really want to see this close, form resist, pull back, and form a support. I wouldn't mind catching a floating balloon. It's the falling knife that kind of scares me a bit. Bulldogs today. Why did it just blow up? Sorry, give me 1 sec. Went back. Oh. Pushing it. It broke all these highs. But where is it going? Take off. Take off. Who wants to play strip futures? Yeah, I never played no strip futures before. It's a party game.
Sounds interesting.
Yo. But where were they going without ever knowing the way? Yo. My friend. Where are you going, my friend? Habibi. 42.67. Okay. Another 100 pips. Honestly, been the most mentally draining day I've ever had on the charts, and that's thanks to my own doing. I'm up 20 pips, and I was up 120 pips last night. Tough, but I think just getting away is best. Yeah, those things happen. Times happen. I was up 800 here. I went from up 800 last week, remember? Like, I was good on the day. To minus 2,500. I was like, yeah, I was up 800. How am I minus 2,500 here? Ended up doing a 6-hour stream just to close out for $1 in profit. It's going to God, not stopping. It stopped right there. But we can't do anything with this. We needed to pull back. Pull it back, you up. I'm sorry for that. Sometimes you get burned back to back. Congress will vote on a bill to end the government shutdown on Wednesday around 7 p.m. Eastern. They have enough votes. They have enough votes. No, Jay, I got your message. They haven't responded yet, so I think it's too soon because they also have not responded about some of the accounts. So at some point today, I'm guessing I'll see a response from them. Right? Yesterday was a holiday.
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, I haven't received anything yet. Yeah, I'm waiting on Reggie too. U.S. government data might be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay. Revision cancellation. Yeah, I think they canceled today's red folder or tomorrow's red folder. Huh. Did you say I should have mine? No, I said they haven't responded about the accounts yet. So and the accounts were sent in the same email, on the same batch of emails as Jay's. So if you didn't get an account yet, that means Jay probably wouldn't get a response yet. Probably be handled all together. Ah. I don't see anything at 41.75. Over 200 watching. Share the stream. Yeah, please drop a like, sub to the channel, and share it. Share it. Need your help, gang. I need your help to grow the channel, grow the community. Only way I can do that is if you guys drop likes, sub to the channel, and share this with as many people as you can. Can't do it without you. We got a 15 closure. Gonna have another 15 closure, which is gonna be the 30. We're gonna need the market to pull back here. It'd be nice if the next 15 could pull all the way down here and the following could create a support. Thank you, Book 99. Appreciate that, Nate. Thank you very much. Yeah, Yeah, I'm not too inclined to take on unnecessary risk after hearing $1,000 here funded. Gonna have to be a surefire trade. We're gonna have to find a support. Stepping outside, taking a few pulls while we're setting up. I should cancel all red folders and put them all on one day. Yeah, buy stops, sell stops. Wherever it goes, it's gonna be heavy. The 30's closed there. Oh wow. Really interesting. A lot of range. A lot of range. Especially right now, right? This candle just cleared out a lot of orders. Yeah, I know IC was actually no, that's 10 o'clock candle, 400 pip candle. Doesn't have much of a bottom wick there. This new opening can just do the same. Next solid resistance, 41.90. Hope everyone doing 500 cells. No one be saying that. See what happened by IC marking down, went down for like 20 minutes. Glad it wasn't any trades. Yeah, we heard it went down. 15-minute close with a gap in the middle of it. In the middle of it? That's wild. 4,200 in target today. Yeah, it could definitely very well go there. 41.95 is next, so you can tap 4,200 for sure. Only 50 pips more. Just like, how far are we gonna go here? They could keep driving. There's no structure. We need structure, Creative. In order for there to be structure, we need to be making high highs, high lows. So we need to be pulling back, right? There needs to be a resistance, a support, a retest of the highs. And now it's just a drive. So not a lot we can do. You'd better stop predicting Curry but no entry. Stop dropping all. Back it up, Terry.
Hit my TP again. I ain't get a chance to move it.
and then fill in them. Don't need a pullback. No, I need a pullback. You don't need a pullback. I need a pullback. I ain't gonna take a trade. I'm good. I'm up on a day, on a week, on a month. I'm gonna need a pullback, bro. I never knew it was so good. Match trader went down. Everything was frozen. Yeah, what's up with everyone going down today? What's going on with that? Major debt free. 4098. Benching. Don't like people eating by themselves, sharing and scaring. What the fuck you think I'm doing? I'm feeding everybody here. Giving out stimulus checks every day. That Wix 9 stimmy hit different. The Wix 9 stimmies be buying steak.
Oh, okay. Just saying. Some people think it's a delicacy or something. I don't know. Like spam.
Oh. I went to kimchi the other day, the market,
Mm.
and they had sushi with spam. It literally said spam sushi. It wasn't spicy salmon. It was spicy spam. Bro, I've never in my life seen some shit like that. They didn't have no fish, so they made the sushi with spam.
They don't know about the struggle.
Oh, that's disgusting. Spam on its own is disgusting.
That's what I'm saying. They don't know about the struggle. We ate spam out of necessity, not of delicacy. When I was a kid.
Probably gas. This guy said, I love spam. It's probably gas. No. No. I'm gonna go get some ice cream. I don't know.
Real talk. My daughter made some spam about a week ago. I couldn't believe it.
You can't make spam. It comes as spam.
She ate some spam, and I just couldn't understand it. But I didn't say nothing.
Yeah,
it's all good.
Spam is already spam. You can't make spam.
Canned ham. No, I'm good on that. But hey, if she like it, I don't eat pork, so.
You threw some seasoning in it? Fried spam with rice.
I can still remember what it tastes like. I can also remember what bologna tastes like. I don't eat that either.
Come on, gang. Soviet times are over. The Third Reich is not taking over the world. Like, you ain't got to live out of cans.
Don't judge off me now. You know, my name is Kenny Goodlife, so you know I don't. My values may be a little different than, but I've already been there and done it.
Yeah, I'm getting a little hungry. Yeah, Bougie, I bet you would stay hungry rather than eat spam. always avoid canned foods as an adult. Yeah, as an like you have no business eating canned foods as an adult. It's like it's the same thing as like sitting and having your feet fucking hanging off the edge and not reaching the ground. You can't dangle your feet as an adult. You can't do that. Only food I eat out of a can is oysters? No. No, 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 Bougie, no. Canned caviar. Yo, you guys are really risking your lives out here for food, huh? I can't dangle my legs. My legs. Sometimes I need the zinc. Yeah, that zinc is good for the immune system. Tuna is the only thing I eat out of a can. No, I out of a can't. I can't. The last thing that I ate that was canned, if I was being honest, Chad, it would have to, I think it would be Chef Boyardee ravioli.
Was that 30 years ago, I hope?
No, it was like a few years ago, but it was a 30-year-old can.
No matter.
I should go to $20.99, bro.
Relax, baby. I never was a ravioli fan, whatever they call it.
You ever
Only
eat tin
thing-
mackerel? That's a Russian thing. My girl eat that.
I get my chili beans from a can. That's about it.
Yeah. Is this gas station cuisine? Yo, Wawa makes the best gas station food. Don't at me. What about some beans? Oysters and olive oil, though. No other ingredients. That Ben and Jerry top isn't too healthy. Yeah, but it's delicious as fuck. Wix, you ever eat that mackerel? Yeah, the mackerel is a Russian thing. It smells really bad. It's so greasy. Canned one too. How about sardines? Canned sardines. How about those? Those are really good in terms of protein. Sardines fire, yeah. We've been making them. We get the dark bread. We throw a little like garlic spread. And then you put a sardine. And you put a cucumber. And a little bit of dill for the taste. Steak only, day. It's also not too healthy, like, cause like most of the like the worst illnesses come from red meat.
You gotta watch your red meat intake.
Gotta make sure it's cooked good and like in general, like you can eat a lot of steak, but I don't think it's too. I read somewhere it's not too healthy every day. But nothing's too healthy every day, and
No.
they always change their opinion. It's like milk wasn't healthy, then it is, then it isn't. Coffee's not healthy, then it is healthy, then it's not healthy. Eggs haven't been healthy like 5 years, and then all of a sudden they're healthy again, and they're not healthy, and then they're healthy again. Like every 5 years they do a new study, push a new product. Avocado toast daily. I like avocado
I
toast.
can tell you as well what works and what's not working for you if you pay attention to it.
Yeah, I think
Not as digestible for your body as fish and chicken. You know what I mean? So just everything in moderation. But yeah, you can't eat a steak every day.
they prove that chicken is just as unhealthy for cholesterol as red meat. Yeah, like you know what I mean? Like they do these studies all the time. So like every other week something is healthier and then it's not. And like they change their opinion on coffee all the time. Every other year there's a new opinion, a new study on coffee. And cannabis. They ain't gonna change my opinion on cannabis though.
I got my own opinions. I don't need nobody-
Yeah, I got my own opinions. I've done my own studies.
I've been back testing for a long time.
I'm doing right now. I'm doing a 30-year study right now.
Before they started legalizing it, I was already back testing.
Yeah. We're doing a controlled study right now. It's gonna be like an 80-year process though. Like we're gonna release the results in about a century.
Sell my data to Marlboro when they ready to go live.
Pardon the word that.
When they're packed cannabis cigarettes.
Oh.
Sell my data to Marlboro.
Raw milk health is healthy. Look at the Amish. They live with way chronic disease than the U.S. Us with way less chronic disease than us. Man, fuck the Amish. They live 200 years in the past. They're 200 years behind. I am not taking advice from anyone who's 200 years behind. Like, catch up. They need to ask me for advice. Like, how did you get a car? You have lights? Wow. Yeah. Amazing. Canned fish is full of mercury. I don't know. Cow milk was meant for a baby cow. It was meant to turn a baby cow into a big ass fucking cow. That's what nature made it for. It wasn't meant. Cow milk was not meant to fucking turn a baby human into a grown human. It was meant to turn a fucking baby cow into a big ass cow.
And it's definitely not meant for grown ass men to be drinking it every day. Like they're getting something out of it. A cow's milk.
Yeah, there's solution. I be buying almond milk all the time. My kids love almond milk. I like it too. It's not bad. It's a great alternative. Everything meat is fine with moderation, including cannabis. Hell yeah, I sprinkle the cannabis all over my food all the time. Just gotta go back to regular stuffed fruits.
Is that 2%? That whole milk? What is that, Eddie?
Hawaiians love spam? No, Hawaiians love real fish.
2%, okay.
There's an Amish grocery store near me. They make the meanest sandwiches. Yeah. They're great woodworkers, right? Like if you need a fireplace, they'll fucking build you a fireplace and a carriage. Amish also aren't taking a bunch of needles. Yeah, but they also like take 12 and a half days to get to your house that's down the block because they gotta fucking walk.
You can go pick it up. Pull up in a big F-150.
Amish people have zero autism? Or not on the spectrum? The Amish. Drink 3 gallons of milk a week and eat steak every day. Yeah, remember back in high school? Like when the lunch was like a cheeseburger or pizza and milk. You ever be at school lunch just having a pizza and drinking milk?
Square pizzas with the bomb back then.
Some shit you would never do in real life. Like you would never fucking drink milk with fucking. Let me get a cheeseburger on some fucking. And some organic milk. So city milk it is? Sure. Raw milk is good for you, not that fake milk they sell at the stores. Shit, in Canada, it's in a fucking bag. Fucking wild. Turpy over there having to cut a fucking hole in the bottom of the bag and shit. Get milk. The whole milk makes me fart. 2%'s the only way. The only way. Grilled cheese and Campbell's tomato soup. Yo, I told you guys what I want. I'm looking for a good French onion soup. Need good French onion. Where can I go? Any recommendations? This is Cuban diet: rice, beans, meat, milk, bread, and coffee. Yeah, you're giving me ideas right now. Milk at 12 p.m. is diabolical. How about kefir? Almost like milk. Just cool lunch, ain't right? Didn't know what happened between you and Don until last Friday. He mentioned you on stream. Are y'all cool now? Yeah, we good. We good. I got to reply to him. Like, he sent me a little heart emoji yesterday. He sent me one of these. Yeah. What is that? Come on, focus, yo. This fucking camera. Focus! I don't know. Yeah, Hannah. He sent that to me yesterday randomly. Can't get raw milk if yours really good. W. The majority of Canadian milk is in bags, but they sell top tier filtered milk in cartons. Yeah, I buy them in cartons. Who the fuck drinks cold milk? I drink cold milk, bro. Milk with nachos? Yeah, we would have tacos. Yeah, we would have tacos and burritos and milk. Chocolate milk, regular milk. Warm milk with brown sugar and espresso. No, you mean espresso with warm milk and brown sugar. Yeah, I thought you over here talking about milk. Nah, he over here talking about coffee that he adds milk too, but because milk is in there, now you gotta call this fucking drink milk. $3x a day? I do $4x a day. 1 $4x a day. Nah, a big mug of milk with a shot of espresso. That's crazy. Is it steamed milk? Does it have a little foam? Can you let me in the Zoom? Oh, there's a bunch of people at the door. Holy shit. My bad, Joe.
Kick the door in.
Yeah, there's a lot of people standing at the Zoom door. We haven't done much. We just kind of pushed up. Pushed up much, but no structure much. Oh, this is so lovely because this just cleared out a lot of range. Once this starts creating support and resistance, once it starts creating levels, it's going to be so simple to trade through this because there's nothing here just yet. Drinking breakfast, lunch, and before stream. Yo, you know what I started doing? Every morning when I wake up, I have a big fucking spoon of honey. So I'll drink a whole bottle of water, right? 16-ounce bottle of water. I'll eat a banana and I'll have a whole spoon of honey, and the honey is just, it's almost like taking an ice bath, like a cold plunge. Honey expensive here? Yeah. The honey I get, it's like $18 for like a small little jar. Manuka honey is good for you. Yeah, I got that. It's you buzzing. feel like it clears my mind, like almost like fruit bowl with honey is next. Oh, that's what you're gonna do, Bougie, huh? That's what you're gonna do right now? Ice water all day. Been doing it all year? Well, like just when you wake up, it's just fruits and honey with a cup of bone broth. Room temperature water. Yeah, I heard that's more beneficial. Every night I get grass-fed yogurt. I thought you were gonna say you get grass-fed. Okay, you get grass-fed yogurt, add protein powder and wild blueberries, and honey, straight fire. Yeah, that all sounds great. Would you ever try psychedelic honey? Yo, I got a funny video about that. You guys remember the Wix Wisdom episodes? I did like 5 of them. I remember which one, 3 or 4, where I'm walking through the market and the dude's selling me honey, and then a bit off camera, he goes, "Oh, like, yo, I got that magic honey too." I was like, "What? What kind of honey?" He's like, "Yeah, that that mushroom honey." I was like, "I'm buying this for the kids. Just make sure there's none." I walked over. I was like, "Do I look like the type that you should be offering shit to? I look like I just want everything, right? Like
Yep.
when I walk by you and you're selling to you, you're like, yep, he does that. He's
Yep.
gonna." Do I look like this? Because this guy was like, do I look like the type that's gonna fucking try this shit? Well, how do they know to sell to me? How didn't they know I wasn't a cop or something? Or like whatever, It was funny. I walked away from the camera. I was like, is it fucking written on me that this is some shit I would like? Mushroom soaked in honey as well. It was like mushroom infused honey. It was, I don't know. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. I could not stop eating. I cannot stop eating. I don't know. Is it the weed? Ate a peanut butter cake. And kill a bag or two in a day. Damn, you guys got. You guys partake in a lot of extracurricular activity. What happened to like basketball? Shit like that. Skating. What happened to like regular hobbies? Nah, now we have fucking mushrooms soaked in honey. The shrooms got some gummies. That's what I forgot to buy yesterday. I was supposed to go get gummy bears. Just any gummies. I forgot.
Yeah, they've been sitting there forever.
Yo, I can't spend the day without chewing on some gummies. I need me some. Need me some gummies, man. And I got these cheeseburgers, man. Look at that. Look, I got this little string that comes out. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Oh, why is it there? Actually clip it like I don't know where it's going. Gotta end somewhere. I was thinking about 95 areas, but like we're not just gonna randomly here sell it. Like what the fuck? The previous hour was a 516 pip candle. Yo. That's the hourly candles. Like, it takes days to do this.
No, I don't.
600 pips, like, man. I don't think up until like a few years ago, up until maybe last year, I have not seen like multiple days, move 600 pips in a row. I mean, this year we've seen like weeks in a row of 1,000 pip days. But like, that is a lot of volume in an hourly candle. That's a day's worth of volume. That's an entire day's worth of move. Watch us reject perfectly at this level. But like, look how big this fucking candle is. Like, you don't expect now the volume all of a sudden stop just because it's next candle. No, it's just, I'm expecting another big candle here. Another, you see how right here, on the move down, a big candle is just followed by another big candle. So you get a smaller and a small candle. Like, you'll see volume dying out, but this is just volume coming in. That's what it looks like to me. Go to retrace, damn it. It'll create a support. At some point, it'll be tradable, just not yet.
Well, the thing is, it's been retracing about 100 pips and then going back up.
Yeah, there's got it.
Yeah, because I've been buying buys. I'm about 20, 30 pips up again. It goes down about 100 pips and then it starts going back up. So I'm just playing a small game.
I would just be careful. You're right, Drizzle. You're right, but you don't even need a book map for that. There's an insane amount of sell orders 4,200 flat. There's stupid amount of sells at 4,200 flat. There's a lot of sells here at 41.95. Look at that. We fucking got this level on the dot too. Could have sold here. 30 pips. What are you keeping as stops? Probably got to go off the 15 here. That top wick right there is a stop. I actually fed you here. I fed you. I gave you 50 pips. No weekly bottom. Futures. Price action giving the impression tomorrow will be a banger. I think today is already pretty good. And I feel like Asian sessions should be on fire. The correction of the correction of the correction. I use shrooms and LSD to cure my depression. Has been life-changing. I'm hoping this account that you won, the giveaway that you won, is also going to be life-changing for you. Thank you for another stream. You dipping? Gotta go. Gotta head to JOB Funding, make some money today. Absolutely, go ahead. Go ahead, do you, boo-boo? You gotta... I really want positions here, but if we don't get nothing by 11:30, then we'll call it. And honestly, there will be positions throughout the day. Just gonna take some time. Oh, chat. Don't forget. It's forgot what I wanted to say. What else? Oh, it's also $5 sushi day at Publix. Don't forget to go get your sushi. I love how patient you are. Seems impossible to be this chill. Oh, it's possible. It's very possible. Chilling. We made money on all the live accounts. All the funded accounts have made money. Like, what am I rushing 2 or 4? I'm gonna wait for things to fall in my lap, because they will. Still waiting on correspondence with Top 1 Futures about that account, but thanks again. No, you're one of those people waiting. Yeah, they didn't get back to me yesterday, so I'm guessing it's the veterinarian day, Veterans Day. 1.5 years till I'm back in Florida. Why'd you get deported? Why 1.5 years? Well, you see, the probationary period gotta expire before I can step foot back. My PO said, damn, tough. I can't. There's no way. Like, this is 500 pips worth of rain. Like, this is the entire screen. Like, this is how usually I have my screen looking, like this amount of pips. Like, this is a lot. I would have it like this. Fuck am I supposed to do with this shit? I can't get jiggy with this shit. 3-minute time frame. Oof. 3. my favorite number growing up. I was always number 3. Every team, every jersey, number 3. Damn, I remember playing AAU ball for a Brooklyn team. Somebody took my number. I had to wear number 45. Yo, this was a great level. What's the yellow line? The resistance from way back in the day, from right here. So it's a previous support that's turned into a resistance. How do you know it's reason? There's a closure on the 15 here. Hold on. Yep. Right there, closure on the 15. As we were coming up here, right? I was thinking of a sell limit here at this area, but the market's so bullish that I thought to myself, nah, I'm not even gonna think about it. Because we've just been pushing up so heavy. I don't know where we'll top out. I don't know what's driving this volume. But I do know once we top out, create resistance, come back down, create a support, I'll trade the support back to this resistance, to the highs that we've created here. Or if it's just gonna ride up without me, retest the highs, wherever it closes out, that's where I'll take a sell limit, or I'll set a sell limit, take sells to come back down. We'll see. Is this another Reza? Or is our Reza? Which Reza is this? Do we know you? Reza Guranji. Ooh, Reza G. Are you our Reza? You're not our Reza. No, you're not. What is great is gold is pushing and NQ is dropping. That one there. Headed opposite directions. It's always great. You know what's even better than that? The joint I just rolled is sativa dominant. Ding.
As it should be.
I'm full right now. Oh, how the joint be pulling. Like Steve Morning indica in the morning, in the daytime I do. At night, I'll smoke indica. But even then, there's some indicas that just make me feel. There's some sativas that make me more mellow than the indicas, and then there's some, like we spoke about it earlier. Like it's all about the terpenes in it, right? And there's some indica make me feel like more euphoric and like, you know, I'll have some profound thinking going on in my head. Versus the sativa, you know, like it just really depends on what strain terps in it. What are you doing? Ah, I see what you're doing. The 5's got a bit of structure here. Oh yeah, definitely don't get anything below 2% terps. What do you think about people getting this medical? I don't think there should be any kind of law. It shouldn't be medical. Cannabis should be completely legal. Yeah, I said it. Oh, now. What's your strategy? Technologia. Strategia. Price action. Price action. Learn to read candles and build a narrative that includes what the candles say and timing and direction, volume. Study all that. You need experience. If you want to hobby trade, then you got to stick around here for a month or 2 or 3 or a year to really be in tune with what we're doing. Range is big as fuck. Watching for a 3-minute bearish pattern, retest and take at the beginning of the golfing bear candle. Sounds like you got a plan, which is great. Just where everyone should be looking to get to. Everyone should have a plan here. We're gonna wait this next 10 minutes here, right? 30 is gonna close. I don't think, realistically speaking, I don't think we're gonna get anything here on this next candle, but there's a lot of potential because a lot of the range has been cleared, right? We drove through the whole range. We found a resistance. Well, we've reacted to a resistance, right? If we can now start pulling back down or close here at resistance, that can give us some kind of indication of possible retracement, then we'll get in. I'll get in the signal channel too. But right now, nothing doing. Maybe 10 minutes, maybe another 25 minutes changes something. Let's see. I'm hungry, tired, I'm in profits, and I understand the story that the market's telling us here. Narrative is that it's going to take a little while to print exactly the way we want. At least a few more candles. I feel like this calls for a celebration. I think we need ice cream. Who's with me? Who's with me for some ice cream? No? No takers? All right. What time is it where you are? It's 11 in the morning. You can blast cold plasma or a cold plasma projector to increase terps and cleaner experience due to ozone cleaning. Okay then, Mr. White. Heisenberg. Yes, science. Yeah, Mr. White. It's delicious. Got a new flavor today. I'm trying to figure out lately if I'm more of a fruit flavor ice cream type of person, or am I like the fudge and caramel swirl type of ice cream person? I can't figure it out. Yesterday was a fruit ice cream. It had fruit chunks. Today it's got caramel and chocolate in there. I can't figure out which one I like.
Neither for me.
Oh, you got that type too?
Mine's got to have nuts, pecans, different shit, nuts. My favorite is called Nutty Coconut. They sell that 31 flavors, Baskin Robbins.
Yeah. Well, to each their own. I like
And
fruits.
chocolate-
You like nuts in your
chocolate
ice cream.
almond is my second favorite. Chocolate almond. So yeah.
It's just the way you said it. But I could have some pistachio ice cream. I fuck with that. Yeah, I gotta stop eating this ice cream. Kids know I ate the last pint. They know it. I think the dog sold me out because she was the only one that saw me eating it. Grub. Well, let me put this away, come back and let's plan something. Let's plan something. Took my vitamins. You know I gotta get that fish oil in, right? That omega. Omega 3, got the calcium, magnesium, zinc, everything. Take a spam smoothie with Shaw's. You guys keep talking shit. I'm about to go buy some spam. I don't think this 4-hour wants to play nice for retracement. I'm of the opinion that maybe at 2 p.m. when this 4-hour closes, we can come down to an hourly or a 30-minute support. Which means we can come down, create a support, pull back up in the next 2.5 hours. And then when 2 p.m. hits, if we can pull back on the bottom wick to whatever support is yet to be created, if you can envision it, I would like that. Like if we sort of we can pull back here. Create a support, right? And the 4-hour probably closes something like this. Something like this by 2 p.m. Right? If this is the 12, 1, or whatever, you know. If this is the 30s, if this is how we close at 2 p.m. and on the smaller time frame we've done this, we've come down and we've created support here, then you can look for a retest of this support as a 4-hour bottom wick, right? As you start coming down here, as price starts coming down slowly, right? It's just a 4-hour bottom wick, but what it'll look like on a small time frame is you're probably going to get a 30-minute like this, right? Another 30 comes down, creates this bottom wick that we're talking about right here. And this is this. And when it taps this area, I would expect a bounce. So this candle probably look something like this. right? This would be buy limits over there. We're looking for this reaction. We get a flip like this on the 4 hour and a continuation. Amazing. If we're able to snipe it off whatever support is created here at the bottom of the 4 hour wick, right? Looking to come up, it's going to be a really nice position, but we're going to have to wait for these levels to print. They will print at some point. They will print, and we'll take these positions and we'll win. We have to be patient, right? This is where most of the trading really happens, right here in the waiting part. This is where most of your trading is going to happen. Okay, so really master this part, because this is where the majority of it happens. Hello, I reached my limit on alerts and TradingView. I can delete all my inactive alerts, but what is inactive alerts? Well, then that's not really an alert. It's just nothing. An alert is something that's diff. Alert. I don't know. That's like a weird thing to ask or say to me too. Like, look at. Like, I'm not employed by that. Like, I'm not customer service.
If the alerts are inactive, delete them. You reach the limit, delete the inactive ones. Who cares?
Yeah, I'm not sure where that's going. You're cruising me. You're confusing me. All right, we are still pushing up.
Yes, Lord.
Could be making a towel wick. Could be breaking back up into those levels above 4,200. 4,200 tap that we were just talking about. 4,200.
Go down 100 pips, back up. That's it. Small ball.
Damn, that was 100 pips. Okay, well.
Yeah. I'm up 95 right now. I'm trying to tell you. Goes down about 100 pips and it starts going back up.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy when the retracements start like bigger than the drives. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a session. We're just getting no pullback. Once it starts pulling back and creates support and retest highs, we'll have some positions, but until then, gonna let it rock. I know it's been a long time since we didn't take a position on stream here. Well, we had an Asian session with no position, but I guess we were on par, or we were due for New York. We still got positions in the session. It's just, I took dubs, but it wasn't on stream, so kind of sucks. Wish this was on stream, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. It was a late start today because I had stuff to do, but I've been up real early. I think it's good. It's good, kind of refreshing not to have positions and not to go chasing and hunting here. I think in the next 4 hour might bring some better price action, some better structure. So I might be trading around 1, 2, 3 p.m. possibility. But we're gonna be patient here. Yeah, we already won on the day, and that's our job, right? We did our job. You show up, you take a W, and you make sure you do this day in and day out every single day, right? That's when things becomes really structured, because you're doing the same thing over and over and over and over. Right? So there's no need to chase, and it's like I said, it's refreshing. I'm gonna get off the charts here, knowing I didn't take position, nothing really set up, and I'm not gonna go chasing. I'm just gonna go relax, smoke a fat Jamaican joint, right? Just take it easy, chill, get better, and maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe this will eventually set up for us, and we'll once again see the proof in the pudding, and the fact that patience pays, right? All right, gang. Yeah, let's call it a session here. Zoom gang, like Holmes, Jay, Kenny, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the conversation. Go get your top one futures accounts, 55% off. I believe it's still 55% off, but I gotta check. I need to talk to them. They gotta call me. I think they're gonna email me sometime today, but gotta hop on a call with them. I think that would be much quicker for my purposes. I have so many things discussed.
It currently is still 55% off and 50
Is it?
on the. Yep, and the
50 on what?
Ignite AF. I don't think the Ignite AF exist anymore. I think they removed them. They put them on for a little bit and then they removed them, but 55% off for the other accounts.
Everything else 55% off. Yeah.
Stop it mid-November. Yeah, maybe at the end of this week. I think it's possible for the promo.
Okay, appreciate that.
Yeah.
I want to find out from them today. All right, yeah. Zoom gang, see you guys in the clubhouse. Be squared later. W, congrats to everybody that took a W today. Just joined, but thanks for the stream. Yeah, oh, tonight, not gonna lie, you sound exhausted. I am very exhausted. I've been up since real early. Tonight, I believe Turpy's gonna host the Asian session in our Discord. So sign up for our Discord and free Asian session, free Discord. Sign up, go to there, and I'll be in there. If he hosts, I'll be in there tonight as well. As soon as I free up, so it's gonna be a little bit later for me, maybe after 9, but I'll fucking be there.
Thursday night game, probably gonna be a raggedy game like usual, but I'll cut it on and get on.
Lions are playing?
No, we already took our win. Beat up the raggedy Commanders. Now we got the game.
They trash.
We got to play Philly Sunday night.
The only good team in that conference, in that division.
Yeah, we got to play Philly, so that's gonna be the game right there.
All right, well, enjoy. I'm gonna see you guys tonight in the Discord. What was that?
Ignite AF accounts are no longer there. They removed them.
They
had
removed
one,
them.
I think for a week, and then they removed them. That was it. That's it.
People must have started banking on them.
I guess so. So it's just the Instant Sim Funded and the S2O Sim Pro. S2F, sorry, Sim Pro. These are both instant funded accounts. And
There's no challenge accounts? Wait a minute.
Yep, you still have a challenge account, but I don't even mention it because it's pointless.
It's pointless. Yeah,
If you do
completely
a challenge,
pointless.
Just go and do an instant sim fund.
100%.
Get paid right away. Lots of people are getting paid. I got paid. I got paid nearly 12K on 550K.
This guy got sent over to a live account within passing one time. He just passed 5 accounts.
I got the
twice.
giveaway I won.
Yeah.
I won the giveaway with you for a 25K,
Yeah.
and also S2F, and I got paid out on it, $1,500 minus their fees, which was 13 something, 1350. So I got paid out from that free giveaway. I passed it and I got paid.
How long did it take you to pass that?
50Ks that I passed, and I got paid nearly 12K on that. So and then they sent me to live.
How long did it take you to pass the giveaway?
50Ks.
The giveaway.
The giveaway, I think it was 12 trading days, 11 trading days, something like that.
Nice.
And it took me 11 trading days to pass the 55K.
Yeah.
50K, sorry, I mean the 550Ks.
20 days of work. It's light work.
Sorry?
Like 20, 25 days of work.
Yeah, well, it's 10
For 2
trading
payouts.
days, so there's nothing on the weekends. So it's 2 weeks, basically. So Monday to Friday and then Monday to Friday.
For 2 payouts, perfect.
Yeah, I got paid those 2 payouts within 20 days or something like that.
Sick.
20.
Sick.
Yeah. I got paid the payout on October 14th of the 25K giveaway and on November 4th or 5th or something like that for the 15K. So, and it's all posted in the Discord.
W. Nice.
Proof for in the profit wins, all that. So big
Sick.
props to Wix. Thank you very much for all that.
Yeah, well, thank you. So go get your top 1 futures accounts. And while that offer's still there, I think it should have been gone a long time ago, but still there, still 55% off, which is pretty sick. So go do that. Other than that, let's get out of here before we do something stupid. Let's get out of here before we do something stupid. Go enjoy your day, Jay. All right, get off the charts.
No, I'm
Everybody
gonna
else,
play
go enjoy your
football
day as well. What was
tonight. I'm
that?
just gonna go enjoy myself. I'm playing football tonight, so relax.
Oh,
I'm gonna go and have some fun and
football, soccer, you mean?
yes, football,
Okay.
as they say everywhere else except for this.
I was gonna say they don't even have footballs over there.
Yeah, they
It'd
literally have
be
a football.
it'd be difficult to sell to find a football like an American football.
No, they have some.
Nah,
Yeah,
bro,
so they
that's
have,
it's
stores here with.
it's not the same. It's a fucking rugby ball, and you know it. It's not the same.
Yeah. No, I'm playing tonight and I'm playing tomorrow night. Now that I'm feeling better after my injury, so I played last week and now I'm feeling good. So I'll play again twice a week until I move at the end of the month. 30
All right.
is the move. Excited.
Exciting. Yeah, the you know, they say the two hardest things in life: marriage and moving. So,
Yeah, it's the second move in a year. We moved here from Argentina
stop moving.
in November of last year, and then we're moving now in November. We're going to Spain, but we're going to stay in Spain for at least 5 years.
Yeah, sounds like a real downgrade over there.
Yeah, no.
Sounds like
used to
you're-
be still, but yeah.
Sounds like you're really bringing it back to the Stone Age.
True.
How sad for you.
It'll be an hour later, and it'll be an hour later at that point for me. Instead of 5-hour difference between your time, it'll be 6 hours. So I'll be trading quite late in the day, but looking forward to it, man. Very.
We don't feel bad for you.
Yeah, no, I mean, don't feel bad. Don't.
He said he doesn't feel bad for you.
Yeah. Pity me. So yeah, it should be the last move for a while, and then after 5 or 6 years, maybe we'll travel, go to Italy or something like that. But grow the family there, because nobody in the family here speaks anything but Spanish except me. So yeah, they're all from Venezuela or Colombia, so it's easier for them. Portugal is, Portuguese and English, they speak none of it. It's just easier, kids and all that and everything. I want to grow the family there and make it simpler, and there we go.
Yo, I see a bunch of people leaving. Before you guys dip, drop a like, sub to the channel, and please share this stream. I'm gonna keep asking you guys for your help until we get to 100K subs here. That's the eventual goal here. All right, let's get to 100K subs. But first, we got to get to 28, 29, then 30. Right, so help me get there. Keep showing up. Keep liking, keep subbing, keep sharing, and let's keep growing this community. And I'm gonna do my part, and we're gonna keep winning. Okay, deal. You guys do your part, I do my part. I make sure we keep winning. You guys make sure we keep growing. Okay, can we do that? Can we agree on that? Be amazing. All right, yeah. If I see anything throughout the day, I'll obviously call on the Signal channel. If not, I'll see you guys tonight. Well, most of you tonight in our free Discord for the Asian session, and I believe Turpy's going to host it for some weird. Turpy, can you confirm that you're going to host the Asian session in the Discord? And if not, I mean, I'll just do it when I get back. I can. All right, dope. So, yeah, there's the Discord link. And Turpy's going to host in Discord, and I'll be in there probably closer to 9 also trading.
We don't like popcorn.
What was that?
I said we don't like popcorn.
Yeah. Oh, I like popcorn. That reminds me, I'm going to go buy popcorn today too. I got a lot of things I got to buy. I got to go get some Jamaican food. I need oxtail. I need jerk chicken. I need popcorn. I need a lot of things.
You need to just go to the Caribbean. It'll be easier.
Yeah, I just need to move to the Caribbean. You're like, yeah, you're right.
There you go.
I need to like what, St. Martin, St. Lucia, St. Thomas. I gotta go somewhere over there.
Just take a 3-month
live in St.
vacay. I'll house it for you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I got you.
All right.
Yeah, I used to live in St. Martin, man. So if you need to know any places good down there, just let me know. Lived there for 3 years.
Take me to your dealer.
Hey, bro, it's on every corner. On the Dutch side. Do whatever the hell you want, whenever you want, wherever you want over there.
Nice. Wix, what do you have? What don't I have? I've got everything I've ever needed. S2F or Instant Sim? Instant Sim. You see it says right here. This one's Instant Sim, and this one is also Instant Sim. And they're both winners today. Actually, all three of these are winners today. And, well, all three of them are winners every day, plus live account. So it's just been that kind of year. St. Lucian in the house. I used to work with a girl from St. Lucia. Her name is K-Dean. K-Dean. K-H-A. K-Dean. Yeah. She was my manager's manager. But she wasn't my manager, so I could talk shit to her. K-Dean. Anyway, Zoom gang, see you guys in the clubhouse. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. I've been trying to close it out 15 minutes. Signal channel. I'm looking probably after the close of the 4 hour. We need to pull back. We need to create some support. And I'll be trading tonight. Plus, if you're in a signal channel and you want to trade live with me, then show up to Turpy's Discord session tonight. All right, I will see you guys there. As for me, my time here is up. Oh, Nightbot knows where I'm going with this. Yep, and just like that, another New York session is in the books. Yo, honestly, thank you guys for rocking with me today. It's been a slower session, even though there's been a lot of volume. But just because there's volume, it doesn't dictate how we behave, right? We're gonna wait for our positions to set up. Yeah, we love volume, but we also love it with logic and reasoning and profits. See you guys later.